Alright, so today we're gonna... Oh, where are the keys? Where are the keys? I lost the keys. Nope. 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 What is that? Are you kidding? Again? Woo. Either way, welcome back to the vlogs or videos. I don't know what you want to call it, but I don't care. Today we're doing something that I've been wanting to do for the longest time. I remember making an Instagram poll like a year ago, choosing the color of it. You might have seen it in the title, you might have not. But yeah, I'm like super excited. What's up? Yeah, but are you gonna tell him the truth right off the bat, or? Yeah, I think I am. I believe in you, bro.
We don't need no help.
Ah, yeah, no, we're gonna need it. You know what, bro? We freaking got this. Let's go, dude. You're right, you got me. We'll
be fine. Oh my god, I hate comments.
What? Oh, no, nothing. We're going to paint my calipers without taking them off. And if you guys are wondering why I'm making the color red, I mean, what the f? Oh my dog. I'm sorry, again, I'm sorry. Basically, the only thing that has like red accents is the interior, so I feel like the color would look really cool in red. And then like the interior being red and black. I don't know. I know it's super basic going red, but I think it's gonna look pretty decent. This is gonna be like Lamborghini or Ferrari. My two other top colors that I was considering was purple or yellow. Nothing in this car is purple or yellow, so it really wouldn't make sense. And this one rusty boy. Also, the car came with this weird silver, so just like primer caliper. As you can see, all the other ones are like actually gray, how it should come from factory. I never really thought too much about it. Every time somebody asked me why it's that color, I just called it the beauty mark, just like messing around. Wasn't really a big deal, but today, goodbye beauty mark. All right, so before we start masking anything, by the way, day 2, we're gonna go ahead and sand everything down. We also gotta cover this with tape. Put that over there. And yeah, just basically sand everything down, make sure everything's clean. We're gonna be using 320 grit just to get a smooth surface. After we sand everything down, we go primer. After we primer, we go red. Then we put the gloss. So like 30 minutes later, this is everything that I masked off. As you can see, I masked this off, which is where the brake pads go. I masked off the bolts back here as well as the brake line, just so it doesn't look weird that's gonna be painted all red. But now we're ready to mask everything off. Expand it so it's double the size. We're gonna poke a very small hole like that, and we're gonna put it over the caliper. And we're gonna expand it so it fits perfectly. Right there. Okay, masking is kind of fun, but at the same time it's pretty annoying. Either way, check it out. Everything is pretty much masked off. I should probably put another one here so it's a little more stretched. Yeah, I should probably put a little more tape up here so it's more stretched. There's a good amount of wind. Either way, we're good. We got this masked off. We got the lines. This thing right here. The bolts. We good, boy? I decided, before we even get to spraying, I'm going to do some paint thinner since I don't have acetone. Just to like really make sure I clean everything as well as I can. It can't be perfect, but I just want to make sure I'm trying my best. I think I went a little too ham on the first coat, but we're gonna wait 5 minutes or so, come back, hit it again, and then I think we'll be good. Yeah. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Your timer is set for...
Shout out to Siri. Okay, as we wait for that to dry up, so we're gonna do the first coat of red. Let me show you guys this side. I'm probably gonna start sanding it. Oh. I left this because it was raining the other day. But either way, as you can see, it actually has paint on it, which is gonna be a lot easier, I think, in my opinion, to just work with, because it doesn't have those rough spots that the other side had. So this side is gonna look 100% much better. I'm gonna just start sanding it down a little bit, you know, it ain't gonna hurt no bother. Like, I really like this color, but like, I don't know, I feel like I need to change something. It's like gray on gray. Yes, it looks cool, but too basic. And my favorite color is red, and it's gonna match with the interior perfectly. Not gonna lie, I'm freaking nervous. First coat of red is about to go on. I'm gonna go little by little, like as light as possible, then a little more. I'm probably gonna do like 3 to 4 coats, just so I can go step by step slowly and not mess anything up. First coat. Coat number 2. Damn, I don't know how I'm gonna say this, dude. I was in my 4th coat. I accidentally had the nozzle the opposite way and spray painted the whole freaking car red. I'm just kidding. That would have been really bad though. Finished my 4th coat. This actually, why did I say that? Either way, this actually looks really freaking good. Check this out. Don't have any runny spots, which is incredible. We do have though like the little metal, you guys know what I'm talking about, like the little rough spots. Also, I put this here so it kind of just kept everything flat and I can hit it here. Either way though, I'm so happy with this. And I don't think I've said it, but this is actually Akebono, so I went ahead, bought the stickers. The big ones go in the middle or in the front. The little ones go in the back. I'm honestly so glad we started in the front because the rears are gonna be so much easier. But yeah, once this rides up, I'm actually gonna put the sticker and then we're gonna go ahead and use the clear with the stick while the sticker's on. You look so excited. Oh dude, we got a problem though.
What happened?
So
you look so excited. This is me every time I get off of work.
So I was like spraying, right? And the nozzle was in the wrong place and it sprayed all over the car.
You're lying.
Yeah. Look, it's in the front bumper. It's like on the front bumper. I'm just kidding. So Brian came and insulted my masking job, so I masked everything. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the sticker on, then spray the clear. That's another reason why I masked it better, because clear I feel like it goes everywhere more than like any other color. Can't mess it up, Brian. Do you believe in me? Do you believe in love after love? Oof, I think we nailed it. Probably not, but hey.
You gotta love it because it ain't coming out. It ain't coming out.
Ooh. Now that looks freaking raw, dude.
Now that's a caliber.
Ooh. So I'm guessing you kind of slide it in, or help? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Listen, I don't want this anymore, bro. What did it just?
I would do a test. Do a test on the yeah.
Yeah, I don't want it. It's just like
It's
clicking.
doing it? It's spraying?
Yeah, it's,
Like that. You must have left it pressed or something.
no, I didn't. Trust me.
I did.
All right, just finished the last clear coat. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This looks freaking raw. So that's pretty sanded down though. So now we just go ahead.
Nice. It's gonna explode. Imagine you painted all 4 different colors.
Yo, we should do that. Definitely gonna be unique.
Come down 6'9".
Are you dumb, stupid, or dumb? Do you want to do this? You wanna try it? Or no?
No, what if I have it up?
Yeah, you're right. But I just don't know how to.
Get confident with it. It's just a spray.
Damn, we gotta. Why is
Wow?
it? Why is it?
The other thing is that remember it limits you so you don't overspray.
Does it?
Yeah. So you don't overspray because you don't want drips.
Of course. So the one day that I picked to do this, it starts raining. Look at this. Brian, what do you have to say, bro? Oh, it's stopping. It's stopping.
I'm wet.
It's stopping. It's stopping. Dude, I know you're wet. It's supposed to rain at 6. Go, 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 go. Third coat. Oh, it's starting in. Are you kidding me, dude?
I'm telling you, Florida is a joke.
You see? This is dumb, bro. This is stupid.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
Where is the roof we need? We got the driveway. We got the station. The roof.
I'm trying.
The roof is
You're
on
putting me in such an
fire.
uncomfortable situation. It stopped. Let's go. All right, we gotta finish fast though. I hope it didn't get wet. All right, this side is good though. I didn't get wet. I don't think I got wet. We actually covered it up pretty good. It's not raining anymore, so since it's humid, I don't think the second coat stuck on very well. So we're gonna go ahead and use a heat gun and just make sure that the paint sticks as good as it can. Water dripping on us. Who's next?
Did you shower?
Hey, you know how much horsepower this is gonna give us, dude?
How much?
50 horsepower. Crazy, right? Like, it costs like $20 to do it. You get 50 horsepower, or what did I say? 40. You get 40 horsepower, and your car looks freaking good, dude.
Can't go wrong with that. Bro. Yo, what you doing? What you spraying? Ah, you're doing a joke.
It's a prank, bro. The camera's right there, dude. It's a prank. It's a prank. Yo, get me the lug nuts. Oh, Brian's lagging again. Look at that, dude. We even got the bag of it, bro. We ain't catfishing out here, my guy. Look at that. Woo! Alright, so we just finished. Let me show you guys real quick. This side honestly came out better because it was metal, and this one was actually paint, so there wasn't any texture to it, and it was pretty smooth. Either way, though. What do you think, bro? I think we're just gonna do the rear and then show them when it's done. Let's do that.
Of course.
Alright, we're gonna finish the rear and we're gonna show you guys the final product. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple seconds. It's gonna take like an hour or two, but it's pretty quick.
Why are you recording me?
Oh my god. And okay, well, here we are. You can even like see it sort of right there. Yo, let me know what you guys think. Did I do the right choice by going red? I mean, this color, oh my god, look at that. I don't know why, but I realized a lot of people hate on doing things like this, which is just, I don't know why you're hating on doing something so cheap, convenient, and that looks so freaking good. You know, I'm gonna stop talking. If you made it to the end, please smash that thumbs up, leave a huge subscribe. We're trying to get to 100K by the end of the year. With that said, let's do a B-roll, baby. I think this video is long enough. You guys get it. I 100% recommend you try this. It was like 20 something dollars. Right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Peace out. Leave a big thumbs up. Just comment down below what you guys think, or I don't know. Road to 100K. We're almost at 50K. Thank you guys so much. Like seriously, man. It's so amazing. Peace out. Have a great day, and hasta luego.